Okay, welcome to my video guys. So today I'm gonna discuss with you the 4 things you need to keep in mind during the design process. So first off, find your inspiration. When you're designing a video, a graphic, whether it's 2D, 3D, for web or print, you always gotta look for your inspiration, meaning doing research online or talking to someone that has a lot of experience in the field, more than more than you even. I do know some people that have a lot of experience in the field. People I've gone to elementary school, middle school, high school, even a former coworker that's people that I currently look up to as my mentor or partners in the field. Those type of things will come in handy, especially if you are trying to look for ideas. And the second thing is always ask yourself, what is it for? Like, is it gonna educate people? Is it for business purpose? Advertisements? Is it just to entertain people? There's all kinds of videos on YouTube that can show you different examples on how to create videos, the types of different styles of videos. There are even videos that will probably walk you through on how to decide what kind of videos you can make. Third thing is, are you creating like a video, just a regular video, live stream, 2D, 3D design for web, or print, marketing assets like logo for a business company, print materials such as flyers or maybe infographics, all those sorts of things. The fourth thing that you want to keep in mind is how will you put it all together? Like, what tools will you be using? Like, for instance, if I'm gonna create a 2D graphic for either web or print, I usually use Adobe Illustrator to put it all together. Or sometimes I will use Adobe InDesign or Canva. You can even use that. Canva makes things so much easier. And if it's just like making a picture look enhanced or manipulating the picture, Photoshop would be the best tool for that. And for videos, I'd say Adobe Premiere or After Effects. I'm still practicing and trying to improve my skills on those. I could show you some of my video samples in the description down below. And also, of course, if you're gonna be posting this stuff online, like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, you gotta make sure that the title is on point. It also helps to look at other people's videos to learn more about the different kinds of titles, what to put on the description, and the hashtags. So if you press Control F, first press right click when you choose any video on YouTube. Just on the empty white space, just press right click and then inspect element, and then if you press Control F, a little bar will come up and type meta, and then keep pressing enter until you get to the point where it says tag, and you should be able to see the types of hashtags they use on a particular video. I think I've covered up pretty much everything that you need to know for the basics. If you have any more questions, or if you have anything any suggestions at all on future content that you want me to make, feel free to drop it in the comment section. Other than that, I'll see you guys in my future videos. Thank you.